Hi one and all. On behalf of Adarsh Mahavidyalay Dhamangao Railway, I would like to welcome you all. Our goal is to help you understand anatomy of angiosperm by performing double staining process. In this presentation, we are going to demonstrate anatomy of Bohirvia stem. The specimen is collected from Adarsh Botanical Garden of Adarsh Mahavidyalay Dhamangao Railway. Now let's talk about the plant. Bohirvia is a creeper plant growing as a weed in barren area. It belongs to family Nyctaginaceae. Bohirvia diffusa is a species of flowering plant in the 4 o'clock family, which is commonly known as Punarnava. It is taken in herbal medicine for pain relief and other uses. Before actual demonstration, let's try to understand anatomy of Bohirvia stem. The primary structure of Bohirvia stem does not show normal secondary growth. Activity of the cambium is not normal. It forms 3 rings of vascular bundles. The innermost ring contains 2 vascular bundles facing towards each other. Middle ring contains medium-sized vascular bundles, and the outermost ring contains smallest size vascular bundle. Now let's jump to the actual staining procedure. Now the question is that what is double staining? So, it is a type of differential staining in which we use 2 dyes, each of which stains different portion of tissue or cell. Now we will see the requirements for double staining process. So we need microscope, cover slips, sharp and new blade, cavity blocks, watch glass, dissection box, filter paper, alcoholic grades such as 30% alcohol, 50% alcohol, 70% alcohol, 90% alcohol and 100% alcohol. Dyes such as safranin and light green, xylene, DPX, etc. Now let's see double staining process. First of all, take Bohirvia material with the help of forceps. Remember that specimen material should be freshly collected. Hold that material like this vertically and take thin and uniform sections. We have to use new blade in order to get thin sections. Now collect these sections in watch glass filled with water. Now arrange these sections on the slides. And observe them under the microscope in order to select the best section for further staining process. Let's start gradual dehydration process by transferring these sections in a cavity block. Now add 30% alcohol to it. Now shake it slowly in a circular path and keep it incubated with it for 2 minutes. Now transfer these sections into another cavity block. Clean the used cavity block with the help of filter paper. Now take saffron in red stain and keep it incubated with it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 50% alcohol and shake it slowly in a circular path and wait for 2 minutes. Now add 70% alcohol. And wait for 2 minutes. Now we have to add light green stain and we have to wait for 45 to 60 seconds. Now add 70% alcohol again and wait for 2 minutes. Then apply 90% alcohol and shake it slowly in a circular path. Wait for 2 minutes. Now we have to add 100% alcohol and shake it slowly in a circular path. Wait for 2 minutes. Then add xylene to the sections. This step is very crucial because xylene acts as a clearing agent and clears all debris, water and other things, eventually making specimen clearer for microscopic observation. Then add DPX at the center of the slide. Add DPX by using glass rod. This step should be performed carefully. By taking the help of brush, put one of the specimen into DPX. Intense care should be taken here to avoid air bubbles. Then cover it slowly with the cover slip using needle. This step should be performed carefully to avoid air bubbles. Now observe it under the microscope. You will see such type of structures. This slide shows the steps involved in double staining process. There are certain things which we have to keep in mind while performing double staining process. The first is time of incubation of specimen in alcoholic grade may vary from plant to plant. Harder tissue requires more time than softer tissue. Now we will see the precautions that we have to take while performing double staining process. So the first is material should be freshly collected. We have to use grease-free slides and cover slips. Thin and uniform sections of specimen are very vital. Sharp blades should be used to get thin and uniform sections. Incubation time for tissue section with alcohol grades depends upon the type of tissue. Multiple sections should be used for staining process because single section may lose during staining procedure. Put cover slip properly to avoid air bubbles. After successful completion of double staining, observations must be carried out for better understanding the abnormal secondary growth in primary structure of Bohravia stem. In case of Bohravia stem, abnormal secondary growth should be observed in primary structure, cambium tissue location, arrangement of vascular bundles which is present in 3 rings, outer ring, middle ring and innermost ring, formation of lignified conjunctive tissue, etc. The next step is mounting. Give the name to the slide either towards left or right side after fixing the slide. This step is very crucial for its further submission and record. In the same way, we can study and can practically demonstrate other angiospermic plants like Bignonia, Dracena, Nerium, maize, etc. And that brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you so much.